how to double your conversion rate in 2019. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can double your conversion rate on your Shopify, mainly Shopify e-commerce store. And I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself for free. All you have to do is install this plugin through your Google Analytics. From there, you'll be good to go. If you want me to show you how to do that, I will make a separate video, but this is just a quick video to help you double your conversion rates. So without ado, if you're new to the channel, I go by the name of MrDavinci, and on my channel I focus a lot on different marketing and advertising tactics to help you get sales, make money online, and start having another source of income so that you're in control of your life and no longer have to cater to a 9-to-5. So what I have in front of you today is called Conversion Pirate. If you've been around in e-commerce for at least the last 3 years, then you're probably familiar with this. They went through a lot of updates over the years, and I've been looking for this myself actually, and I recently came across it again. But the old plugin that I had before, I had to uninstall because obviously it was out of date. So what you got here is, this is the message right here, and what you want to do is, right here you see it says your order is reserved for time, minutes, and as you can see where it says time, you have 10 minutes. Now you can change the time. I've been testing this so far, and based on the years I've been doing it, you can come down here to time. You got 1 minute all the way down through, let me scroll down. So 1 minute all the way up to 35 minutes. What's been working best for me, this is just me, I've been doing 5 minutes, because I feel within the 5 minute time frame, they still within that buyer's mindset. So if they do decide that they want to buy, they have more time, while they have less time to actually get out of that mind state before they start questioning. That's why I don't go for anything like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, because then they can start talking to other people or start getting inside their head and start talking of ways of not to make the sale. So as you can see right here, so select the countdown duration. They recommend 15 minutes, but I can test mine. So ultimately it comes down to you and what you feel best is for your e-commerce store. So order reservation, this is after countdown text. So when this timer goes down, this will be the text that shows, and I'm just gonna leave that there. Order reservation ended, or you can change it to sales over, whatever you want to do. So as we scroll down here to the cookies is basically, so let's say one of your users try to be fancy and come to this page that you have here. Well, let's say, for example, my 5 minutes is up, and then they try and refresh. As long as the cookies is on, it will monitor each user by their own individual IP address. So that means if they come on the page, the checkout page, and they refresh, the timer will keep track of them, and the 5 minutes will not start over. You can set this for every 24 hours or less or more if you want, but I like to keep the cookies on just in case you got any smart aleck customers who try to finesse. Now let me tell you the honest truth. The timer, it does not affect them in any way, and what I mean by that is, if they have a code and they want to use the code but the time is expired, technically they can still use the code, but it's better to have the time there so that they're still within that mindset, and you tap into the bias of them being scarcity. So as we scroll down, you can see we have trust badges right here. So as you see, if I cut that off, they're no longer there, but then once I cut this back on, bada boom, and you can see the 3 trust badges right here. Now these aren't the only trust badges that they have available. You can come here, let's see, badge 1, let's go to verified and secure. So you can just play with them, change them how you want, and they'll all just adjust to whatever you feel makes your website look safe, trustable, friendly, certified, however you want to go about that. And just pick what you want. So lastly, I want to show you the message of which I've used that's been helping me so far. So I got this saved on my phone right here, like the pre-plan. So what they originally have for you is, your order is reserved for time, minutes. Now, a lot of people have used this. Now, don't let that scare you off, because that's a good thing. That means if a lot of people's using this, that means that this is obviously working. So don't let that scare you off. However, if this is the general message that most people are using and already using this, you want to switch it up and step outside of the norm. You want to create your own kind of message. So what I like to do is I like to use a code that I have for my Shopify store, which yeah.
This chicken on the kitchen table is yours.
Alright, I'll be right up to get it. So what you want to do is you want to use one of your discount codes so that you're able to not only help the buyer or visitor come to your store, but you also want to give them another reason. Think of it as a bonus for shopping with your store specifically. So I'm just going to use a code that I have. So let's start typing use code. Now for my store, I have a code called buy two, and what buy two is, when a customer buys 2 of my products, they will get believe it's 10% off. So use code buy two. Hold on, buy 2. Okay, it's code buy 2 within the next, I can't type today, next time, I will leave the minutes there to receive, I think I said 10% off your order. Now, as you can see, we'll look at this real fast. Use code buy 2 within the next 5 minutes to receive 10% off your order. So yeah, this is what I'm using currently right now on my Shopify store. But yeah, that's all I got for you today. Definitely make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I am uploading videos on a 3-day weekly basis, so basically 3 videos a week. Haven't really figured out which days of the week yet, but that's all I got for this video. I will have a free link to this plugin available below, so you can click on that. It'll be the first link, and once again, it's free. So I will show you in my next video how to install this code into your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe. This has been your friend and mentor, MrDavinci, signing off.